Hello, welcome to that channel. I'm Motoguru and let's just watch some insane clips. If you're following traffic rule, that doesn't mean something unexpected can't happen to you.
Fuck. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Fuck.
Maintaining the speed limit on city roads is very important. Cornering crashes are the most spectacular crashes.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, shit. Fucked up. We just crashed, but we're good though. We okay.
That's why put some special attention when you're riding on corners. Did you see any kind of accident like that? Comment down guys, I wanna know that. Even in very bad scenarios, being someone is not the only option. Try to manage the situation calmly. Remember, when no one helps you, just wait for a motorcyclist rider because he will.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Get cussed at, I'm sure. How can I get the daggone thing off the road so people won't...
Yeah, I'll help you. Do you want to try to get onto there?
What do I do?
Can you get in neutral?
Yeah.
See if you can get into neutral, and I'm gonna try to push you. Try to turn towards that way.
That way?
Yes, ma'am. On the side. Brake. There you go.
Yeah. I was stopped at a stoplight when it turned green. I tried to go and it wouldn't do nothing.
Let me grab my bike real quick. Hold on.
Couldn't happen in a worse location.
Where's my keys? Oh, they're right there. So nothing?
It was running good.
You had problems before with it or no?
No. Never. Is it the battery?
I don't think it's the battery. When you turn the car on, do you get lights in that on the dash?
Yeah.
So that means that the battery's fine. Here, turn on the car for me, or where the lights are on. And I'll do its stuff.
That red battery, that red light.
The battery symbol came on.
Yeah. Just died.
Yeah, your battery's dead.
What the hell?
You have enough power.
It's a brand new freaking battery.
Let's see. You have anyone to call or anything like that?
Oh, I did.
Okay. I would give you a jump. I don't. All I got is that.
That's fine, baby. I'm just glad to get out of their way.
Yeah, I was back there. I'm like, what's going on? Did someone have an accident or something? It's just like, why aren't people stopping to help you? That's why you always need a like motorcyclist, because they'll always stop to help.
Good man. Trust me.
Are you gonna be all right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
That's how a dirt bobble looks like. Come on, tell me, do you ever face something like that? Riding on valley is such an amazing experience, but riding with no risk is not possible. A motorcyclist parked their bike on the side of the road and they have a good backing sign. Then look what's happened to him.
What? I'm allowed to park here. What are you saying? I can park here. It stops! It stops! I'm not fucking moving!
He's legally allowed to do that. That's fine. You're not helping him.
That's because you're not looking, bro! It stops there, dude! $295 GD3.
Well, that's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe Motor Guru, and helping someone like me is going to help you back. Please trust your God. Hasta la vista.